If you have a noisy neighbour, then the first thing I would advise you to do is to talk to them, because most people don't want to upset their neighbours. They're not bad people, they just perhaps haven't realised that their music is too loud or that their dog is barking when they're not in the house, something like that. So my step one would be to talk to them, first of all, and explain how it's affecting you. So step two, if your neighbour is unresponsive to your reasonable request for him or her to stop the noise, would be for you to keep a diary of the noise pollution that you're suffering, when it happens, how long it lasts for, and then you'll be able to address it again with your neighbour to say, this is a repetitive problem and it's really causing me some issues. Can you do something to stop it? So step three, if your neighbour is unresponsive to your reasonable requests for them to stop the persistent noise, would be to report it to the local authority. The local authority will have records of other people who may have complained about the same neighbour or the same noise. And ultimately, there is the Anti-Social Behaviour Crime and Policing Act 2014, where they can take a civil injunction against antisocial behaviour, and the perpetrator can be fined and imprisoned. So that should be more effective if it's bad. So if you have a problem with a noisy neighbour and talking to them hasn't worked, then you should take legal advice, because every case is fact specific and your case will be unique.